Hi guys, good evening and welcome ulit sa ating walang kwentang vlog. Yan. Nakauwi na silang lahat, so ang naiwan, yung aso. Kilay! Shh! Kilay! Ito pala sa kabila. Si Kevin Boy, tsaka si Tatangski. And our topic for today is about English. English. Try very hard to speak in English. Okay, Daddy Kebs, my question for you is, why are you going to join with the Machugay in the Christmas party? So we're talking English tonight, guys, for this vlog. We're very trying hard English speakers for today's video. So are you going to join the Machugay in this coming December 1 Christmas party?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we will practice with the questions that we are going to, or that the hosts are going to ask you as one of the contestants. Why water is important, Daddy Kebs?
English.
English, of course.
Hindi ko alam.
Why water is important? Simple English.
No. Why?
Yeah.
Why water is important because need for the people because need for the body.
For the body. You know what, guys? I am good in writing, but I'm not very good in speaking because the pronunciation is very bad when I pronounce certain words in English. And sometimes my grammar is not that good enough. Right, Tang? For me, water is very important because all living things on earth are not going to, what do you call that? Or all of the living things on earth will die if there is no water. So water is life. So that will be your answer in your Machugay contest this coming December. Water is life because water is life. If there is no water, all the living things, including human, will die if there is no water.
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, it's your time to say it again, Daddy Kebs.
Water, sir. Water na, sir. Kalimutan.
Tragit. Tangina. Sorry, nagmura. Nakakabuisit, no? Mag-English, no? Siguro if...
Lalo na ako.
Oh, siguro pag nakatira tayo sa, Kebs, sa mga countries na pure English, like sa US, or sa sa United Kingdom, Canada, yun yung mga countries na yan, Australia, yun yung mga countries na ang salita nila ay pure English. Yan. Pero may mga Spanish din, like sa US, may mga Spanish speakers din. Pero mostly or majority of the people English. They are using English. While sa Canada naman, may mga areas na French yung ginagamit.
Actually, nakaintindi ako ng English pero may
Nakaintindi ka?
Oh, pero hindi ako nakakapag-ano ng English.
Hindi ka pa nakapagsalita ng English. Pero pag nanonood ka ng movies,
English, sir.
naintindihan mo. Oh, Chinese.
Hindi.
Ang naintindihan mo lang yung lumilipad, no? Di ba yung mga bata tayo, ang hinahabol natin sa Chinese movies kahit hindi natin naintindihan, yung away nung magkatunggali, lalo na yung mga lumilipad. Tapos gumugulong-gulong sa sa air, di ba, Kebs?
Tama.
Tang! Wala na akong mabura dito, ikaw nasama ka rin. Masakit daw ang kanyang ngipon. What did you eat, Tang?
Wala pa.
Dito. Why your teeth are aching?
There's a hole in my tooth. Tooth decay.
There's a hole in my tooth. Tooth decay.
Tooth decay.
Tooth. Mali pa din. Sabi niya una, tooth. Ngayon, tooth. Ano ba talaga, Tang?
Tooth at yan. Tooth.
Tooth. Tang. Tooth. Tooth.
Masakit na.
Tooth. Teeth. Pag isa lang, tooth. Pag marami,
Tooths.
tooth. Sabi ni Tatang,
Toots.
ang English na ng ngipin, pag isa lang, tooth. Pag marami, tooths.
Tama.
Tit!
Plenty of thoughts.
Eh, pag kunwari, ang isang paa, ano yung English ng paa? Hindi, isa lang. Pag isang paa. One. Ang English ng paa, isang paa. Feet, pag isa lang, 1 feet. Foot,
Sabi mo paa.
isang paa, foot. Sabi, foot, pag dalawa na, feet.
Paano ka makatayo pag ano? Ay,
Mga baka sabihin mo na, foots. Yun pala yun, pag isang paa, 1 feet.
ito. Ang tawag dito.
Knees,
Sa Tagalog.
tuhod,
Isa.
one hood. Akala mo ah. One hood. Yan, ilang minutes na ba yung vlogging natin? Tapos na ata. 6 minutes. Daddy Gibbs. Bago naman malobat yung ating cellphone. Anong English ulit ng isang ngipin?
Tooth.
Tooth. Pag maraming ngipin,
Teeth.
hindi many tooth.
Toots.
Ulit, yung sa paa, anong English ng pag isang paa lang?
Foot.
Foot, letter P, foot. Yeah. Foot.
Foot.
Foot. Pag marami,
Put-put.
foot. Foot. Foot, foot. Dalawa, foot.
Foot.
Feet. Pag ako nagkwentang vlog talaga nito.
Parang siguro ng grade 1.
Patawa ka. Put-put.
Bye guys!